When you search for best classical guitars under $200, you expect to find actual guitars, right? But here's the thing. Most of the top results aren't even guitars. They're strings, toy ukuleles, or cases. It's confusing and honestly kind of misleading. So today, we're cutting through the noise to show you what you're actually getting and what you're not.
Product number 1, D'Addario EJ45 Pro Arte Strings. Let's start with the D'Addario EJ45 Pro Arte Nylon strings at $12.99. Now, I know what you're thinking. These aren't a guitar, and you're right. But if you already own a classical guitar and want rich, balanced tone, these strings are a solid upgrade. They're normal tension, so they're easy on your fingers, and D'Addario is a trusted name in the music world. Over 3,000 people bought these last month, which tells you they're popular for a reason. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Nylon strings affect tone more than the guitar itself sometimes. These deliver clear highs and warm lows, perfect for classical pieces or fingerstyle playing. The silver-plated copper winding on the bass strings adds durability and sustain, meaning your notes ring out longer. Now, some people complained about them going out of tune quickly at first. Here's the thing though, that's normal with new nylon strings. Stretch them properly and they stabilize fast. This is perfect for you if you're looking to improve your sound without buying a new guitar. Skip this one if you're expecting a full instrument, because it's just strings, but for the price, they're excellent value.
Product number 2, 17-inch kids toy ukulele guitar at just $9.88. Again, not a real classical guitar. It's a toy with 4 strings marketed as educational for toddlers. Over 2,000 sold last month, so parents are clearly buying it. If you're looking for a fun, safe way to introduce music to a young child, this might seem tempting. It's small, lightweight, and colorful, great for tiny hands. But here's the reality. It doesn't stay in tune, the strings are often poorly attached, and the sound is more squeak than music. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a beginner adult or teen, this won't help you learn real guitar. It's not built to standard tuning or scale length. Now, some people said their kids loved playing with it anyway. Here's the thing though, it's a toy, not a musical instrument. It won't teach proper technique or produce real notes. This is perfect for you if you have a toddler who's obsessed with your guitar and you want a safe distraction. Skip this one if you're serious about learning. You'll outgrow it in days. At under $10, it's cheap fun, not a real tool.
Product number 3, Belfort Coated Nylon Strings. The Belfort classical guitar strings at $9.99. Another set of strings, coated in silver for extra durability. Over 1,000 sold last month, so they've got some traction. These come with an extra high E string, which is a nice touch if you break one often. The coating helps resist dirt and oils from your fingers, meaning they last longer than uncoated strings. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you play frequently, string longevity is a real concern. These won't corrode as fast, so you won't need to replace them every month. The tone is warm and balanced, though not quite as refined as premium brands like D'Addario. Now, some people complained about the coating wearing off unevenly after a few weeks. Here's the thing though, that's common with budget-coated strings. They still sound good even when the coating fades. This is perfect for you if you want longer-lasting strings without spending much. Skip this one if you're recording or performing. Go for higher-end sets. But for practice and casual play, they're a solid budget pick. Product number 4, D'Addario EJ27N Student Strings. The D'Addario EJ27N Student Nylon Strings at $7.99, the most affordable on this list. These are designed for beginners, with normal tension to ease finger pain. Over 500 sold last month, so they're a quiet favorite among new players. D'Addario markets these as ideal for learning, and they deliver decent tone for the price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're just starting out, you don't need pro-level strings. These give you clear, consistent sound without breaking the bank. They're reliable, easy to install, and won't strain your fingers. Now, some people said they sound a bit thin compared to more expensive sets. Here's the thing though, that's expected at this price. They're not rich or complex, but they're perfectly functional. This is perfect for you if you're buying your first guitar or replacing strings on a budget. Skip this one if you're an advanced player. You'll want more tonal depth. But for students, it's a smart, no-frills choice. Product number 5, Kahaya Guitar Bag. The Kahaya Guitar Bag at $39.99. A water-resistant case with 6 pockets and thick padding. Over 400 sold last month, so it's popular among gigging players. This isn't a guitar either, but if you own one, you need protection. The 0.5-inch sponge potting shields against bumps, and the anti-theft pocket is a clever touch for storing your phone or wallet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Classical guitars are fragile. A good case prevents damage during transport or storage. The Oxford cloth exterior resists rain and scratches, and it fits 40 to 42-inch guitars, most full-size classicals. Now, some people complained the zippers feel flimsy over time. Here's the thing though, for under $40, it's still one of the better potted bags available. This is perfect for you if you travel with your guitar or store it in a closet. Skip this one if you want a hard case. This is soft shell only, but for lightweight protection and storage, it's excellent value.
So here's the truth. None of these are actual classical guitars under $200. They are accessories. The D'Addario strings are great for tone. The Belfort set lasts longer. The student strings are beginner-friendly. The toy is just for fun. And the CAA bag protects your real guitar. If you're looking for an actual instrument in that price range, you'll need to look elsewhere. But now you know what these listings really are.